Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you amazing mobile app that help you to manage resident data. Whether you want to add new resident, you want to fetch existing data, you want to edit details or even delete records, all in just few clicks. This mobile app is super useful for housing societies, apartments, committees and anyone who need to manage large resident list efficiently. So let's get started. Here we have used Python. This is the folder structure. I have created a source folder, then within that source folder hello beware folder. With Let's open this and we will see what exactly it contain. So this is my main folder. Within that I have readme file, I have pyproject.toml. What exactly inside this file you can see here. This is what we have, the content. Then we have readme file. Within the source folder I have a folder name hello beware, then resource folder and init underscore py, init underscore py file, just version number, single line. In app.py we have a few lines. I have created a class. Within that class I have startup method, I have ontap method, and I have main method. In main method, main method is a class level method, sorry, outside class. Okay, and ontap is a class level method, startup is a class level method. I am calling this uh, class constructor, and this class constructor will be called, and let's see what to or how to render this kind of UI. Okay, so we will close this thing. We will go back to our VS Code. Yes, we are back to VS Code. Within VS Code I have this readme.md file. What it says, we have to create a new environment, virtual environment. So let's create it. Once it is created, secondly we have to activate this environment. So let's activate it. Activated. Then we will upgrade our PIP, because to install anything you need PIP must be updated. Alright, let's clear the screen. We have to install briefcase and okay, let's first install briefcase, then we will install toga also. Okay, now let me add one more. Copy this, clear the screen. It is also installed. Let's clear the screen. Now I have created one more file called as main.py. Okay, some content I have added. Right, let's clear this. So right now how many files I have? init.py, main.py, app.py. Let's go inside cd src. I am inside cd src. Let's activate this folder. Okay, and let's execute one command, python -m hello beware. As you can see here, this UI is popped up. Okay, this UI is popped up. I said tap me and it says beware work, because on tap this label text should be beware work. Let's say I say beware work now. Okay, save it, control C, again re-execute. If I say tap now, it says beware work now. Okay, Now let's do some improvement in the same project. I want some different type of UI. Okay, I don't want this button tab, I don't want this label, instead I want something else. So let's do that. So few arrangements I have done. First I have changed the content of app. In app the class name is same, beware, hello beware. Then startup method is there. I have added some function some methods like some controls like button home and button resident I will show. Then there is a header which contain these two buttons, so actually container which contain all these children, and children's are home button and resident button. Then there is a content area, there is a root which contain the content area. Okay, and there is a method for clearing content, there is a method for show view. First we clear the content, and based on whatever required settings, okay, we can show. So when the home will be shown or when resident will be shown, so first of all the content will be cleared and then new UI will render. Okay, there were extra buttons like setting and about which I don't need, so I have commented it from everywhere. Then I have added storage py. There will be some sample record like this JSON for B9 building and 601 flat number, or for B10 building and 204 flat number. I have added some content. A sample file will be created, and within that this sample data will be generated. Then this is data dir, where you want to create the file. That path has to be specified. My JSON file name will be res.json, and it will be created if it does not exist. Okay, and that sample resident text will be written. Then this data from that file, data file, will be load. So json.load method actually read the text file. Okay, and p is actually data file is res.json, actually that file will be read. And while saving, p.write, whatever new data will come, based on that the JSON file will be updated. I have the main method is same, init is same. Inside page I have added some pages. Okay, so as you can see here, about page is there. Okay, home page is there, resident page is there, and setting page is there. So in the resident page there will be a lot of methods, these are required. Okay, and we will see what these methods will do. So first of all we will set the virtual environment, then we will set the call the command python -m, and now this is how it is. So on first screen, the home screen, this kind of thing is there, content is there, okay, which I have created. If you want, you can go and see here, this content I have added. Okay, so whatever information you want to add, you can add. You can decorate it with different font size and color and alignment and all. Okay, and this is the home page. So accordingly the home page is now being rendered. Now in case of residents, so you can set different size, width, height and all that. So here let's say the building number and flat number in the residents. So if I go to residents, the file, and if I want to control the width and height of building number or flat number text box, so there is a text box. Yes, this one is a text box. Okay, and height is 40. Here the height of search button is also 40, but when it appear in window, it appears something like this. If you want to increase the height, you can increase the height, say 45. Okay, let's close once again and let's re-execute and see the difference, whether you are able to see the difference or not. I think there is always this issue that when in mobile you will see everything is properly aligned, but here there is always some issue like this. So let it be. Then I write down the building number as B9 and flat number as 601. Why? Because in our um, storage, if you know, we have this kind of sample data with us, B9601, and if I say search, see the this kind of data is being rendered. Actually this file already exists, so that's why you can say, let's say I want to change the name and I want to save it, that will be saved. Okay, next time if you search, it will be properly saved. And now if I click on this thing, see the time changes. The one who I have, which I have pointed out, it is getting changed to this part. Okay, activate, then remove the existing build. Okay, then create the Android, then build the Android. Now build is successful. Now last thing is run Android. So it will ask which emulator. So I think I have created 4 and 5, so let's use 5. So starting emulator. So it is starting. It will take some time. Stopping the old version of app. Create a new version of app. It will take time. As you can see here, app is now visible. Okay, here I am feeding so B9 601, and let's say search. And see all the records are coming. I am changing the name Kamal and I am saving it. It will be saved. If I go here, if I delete this, if I go back and then save, this will be saved. Next time if I search, only 3 records will come. Okay, so in this way we have created. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.